What's up? Danny Hayasaka here with Yealink, helping people do their business better. And today we have a first look at a brand new Yealink UH38 corded USB headset. We're going to do a quick unboxing, so let's jump right into that right now. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this box and take a look inside and see what we have. All right, so you start with the UH38 mono and dual ear quick start guide. It gives you a list of all the components and how to connect, and just the instructions on how to use it. So let's take a look at this, what's inside the bag. So you see there's nothing else in the box. So it does include this nice zippered case. So let's go ahead and open that guy up. All right, and first up here we have this USB 2.0 cable. And it is for this particular model, this is the USB-A variant. So I have a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you'll see where that USB-C connects here in a little bit. But it is going to be available also in USB-C to USB-C. All right, so now we're taking out the headset, and I'm just kind of going to show you the inside of this bag here. You see, this is a multi-purpose bag. You can use it for their wireless version that has a little dongle as well. But we'll go ahead and put that to the side. But here we go. Here's the actual headset itself. The headband is adjustable. Ear cups do turn. They can lay flat, and they do flip around for added comfort. From what I see here, the microphone only rotates one way, so you can only use it on the right side. And then here is that little call control, so the USB-C would connect directly to this little guy. And you see there's a dedicated Microsoft Teams button. And so you take the USB-C portion of this USB 2.0 cable that's included, and you go ahead and you connect it right into the call control. There you go. There it is. All right, so there's a quick unboxing. So now let's talk about the headset, and stay tuned for a mic video that we're going to be doing later. Yealink asked that we wait to do a mic test video. But anyway, very soft ear cushions and headband. Again, as I mentioned, there is a strong passive noise canceling. So when you do put it on, it does tend to block out the background noise. One of the things that I wanted to point out is that this little inline controller, once you have it plugged in, it does charge up. Again, I have no idea how long the battery life is for this, but it does allow you to pair a mobile device to it. And you can actually, as you can see, you can switch from computer to mobile. There is a mute button, volume up, volume down. Anyway, so with this controller, it allows you to utilize this headset with your mobile device as well as your computer, and you can disconnect the cable that's connected to your computer, and you can just walk around with this guy and your mobile device and use it as a mobile device headset. Just a quick unboxing and overview. We'll get into more of the Yealink UH38, and if you need or want more information on Yealink audio and video solutions for personal use or for group meeting spaces, because they do have a full line of audio and video conferencing solutions, reach out to us. Our contact information is going to be in the description box below. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Just let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.